My name is Jones Bosire. I am a Senior Project Associate at Eldohub, and today we have entrepreneurs from Uasin Gishu County going through training 1 of the SME Loop program. So this program targets entrepreneurs who are less than 2 years in business and who are under the age of 35 in the green and the greening sector. So the purpose of this training 1 is to enable them do an analysis of their business and get to know where they stand with their business and overall as an entrepreneur personally. SME Loop training is a business training and coaching system developed by JZ that features structured classroom learning, personalized coaching, and a multi-phase framework. It helps small and medium-sized enterprises improve their competitiveness and management skills. So over the next few months, we'll be supporting 25 entrepreneurs in the green and the greening sector through mentorship and coaching sessions, starting with this training 1, just to support them in getting to understand kind of like a business analysis, understanding where the businesses currently stand, and also to give the coaches a brief or an introduction to the kind of businesses that they're going to deal with.